Alright guys, we're going to reset. Is a Honda 2018 Accord. So first things first, you tap on the home button when you're right here. Make sure guys your car is not running, but it's just turned on. And then what you do guys, it shows you the maintenance light. You just come to this scroller right here. Just tap, you tap on the scroller, and then guys you scroll and then maintenance. Then you tap it again. Then it show you guys it's 360 days minus. You tap it again, and then you scroll until it tells you guys all your services. Then you tap it. When it's blue guys, it's clearing out. And you tap it again, it shows you oil life is 100%. So guys, when you tap it, it becomes blue. That's when it's resetting, and then that's it. Then you should be able to be good to go.